Welcome back to another episode of Tech and Tesla. So for this video, I want to go over a center screen protector. So it's from this company Spigen, and I had a different one originally, and I tried to do the install and I botched it. So I went with something that's a little more foolproof. So let's take a look at the unboxing, go over the pros and cons of this one. So let's take a look at the unboxing. I haven't opened this yet. I just popped the top and I haven't taken it out yet. But it has a built-in feature to make it pretty much foolproof. So I think that's what I need. Okay, so it comes with the toolkit, which is probably nothing more than some squeegees and cleaners for the screen. You got your instructions here. Some cleaners, dust removal sticker, a microfiber cloth, how to remove bubbles, QR code you can scan, and a little squeegee tool. Let's pull that aside. Let's take a look at this here. So your screen's in here, and basically this mounts to the whole thing, and it mounts in such a way that it's a perfect fit. Let's go to the car and see what this looks like. Okay, let's get to the install. So I got all my tools set up here. If you take a look, I got these things to get the any specks of dust. We're going to clean this screen with this and the microfiber. And then once we have it on, we'll use the squeegee just to make sure we get out any bubbles that may be left over. So the directions are here, but they're not super clear, but I mean, you can figure it out. And so on the back, there's a little film here. So you're going to take this off. We'll do that in a minute. We'll take this off. And before you take that off, you want to make sure that the air conditioner is off and your windows are rolled up. However, it's 86 degrees here. And if I roll the windows up, it's going to be a problem. But it's not too windy out there, so nothing should be blowing around in here. All right, once we get the back peeled off, then we're just going to hook this in. It says top here, so you know where the top is. And then we're just going to slide back and forth on here. And after 30 seconds, we'll peel that off. And then there's another film that's under this plastic, and we'll peel that off. So this pretty much makes it foolproof. So let's try not to make a fool of ourselves. First thing you want to do is go into screen clean mode. Okay, so this way you can see the fingerprints and the screen's not moving around on you while you're trying to work on it. It comes with two, might as well use both of them. And look on every angle, make sure there's nothing there, because once it's on, that's it. Okay, so, all right, wait 30 seconds, and then we're gonna remove it. So we'll speed up the time for you. All right, 30 seconds is up. This will leave some residue behind, but not to worry, because there's another protector that comes off. This will come off with it. there's a couple air bubbles here, 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 and here, and on the end here. Okay, just a couple minutes later, I was able to get it out. It was more of just going like this, as opposed to trying to push it out to the side. It was just more this, and it's completely gone. So there's absolutely 0 bubbles left. Really liking the fact that it's not leaving fingerprints. I mean, yeah, okay, so the screen maybe loses a slight bit of that crispness to it. It may have like a little bit of a haze, or it could just be my eyes, or I'm just seeing that, but there's no fingerprints whatsoever on the screen. And I'll prove it to you here by going back into this, and yeah, there's almost no fingerprints. Just a couple marks here, I guess a couple residual bubbles that the tiny ones will work themselves out, kind of like when you get window tinting for the first time. You see some bubbles and a week later it's gone. So I'm really happy with this. However, this does create a lot of waste. So a lot of garbage just to get the screen protector on, but it does get it on perfectly. It's a quality product, so it seems, and it gives you that extra layer of protection here. So I'm super happy with it. Everything, that's from drawing the line. I'm super happy with it. You know, the screen still works, and you know, I think it's good to have just that extra layer of protection. I'm happy with it, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions down below, and as always, drive safe.